Hey, it's Mike with the cleaningstandard.com, and I want to give you a quick peek at one of our field manuals. This one covers resilient and laminate floor care. It's an extensive, 100-page, in-depth manual with information that's never been gathered in this format, with this type of content of how-to information that's extremely up to date, dealing with all the latest floors, co-authored by my good buddy Brian Thompson and Gemini large language model. Let's take a look at the table of contents, purpose, scope, and limitations, how to use this manual. All important. Let's start with flooring ID, the pre-inspection process, what to look for, how to go about it, all important chemistry, the tools and equipment needed to accomplish cleaning of this sort, these type of floors, the step-by-step procedures, utilizing many methods, VLM, hot water, restoration, agitation techniques, you name it. Specialty risk situations, all the things that can go wrong with these floors are covered in extreme detail. Troubleshooting guide, edge swelling, peeling, you name it. How to strip these floors, as we all know how common it is to find these floors coated with all sorts of stuff. So how to safely strip them and how to recoat them if need be. And here's something super important. How to photograph photos of these floors when you need help so that you can get on the cleanstandard.com forum and show us pictures that tell us right away what's going on. If you're new, you may not see it, but our pro helper, AI bot, as well as the many veterans on the forum, be able to tell you what you have and how to deal with it, or how to run away as quickly and efficiently as possible. So there's sections on continuous training, what's out there, some reference guides, and then final words of the reality of the trade and multi-surface cleaning. And tons and tons of content. There's some photos and graphs and whatnot. This is a fantastic manual, easily worth the price of admission just in its own. Take a look. You have to be a bronze member, which we are offering 60 days of free bronze membership right now. Just use the password bronze when you sign up and let us know what you think.